we have had a new compressed air system fitted to our studio workshop using gear called Transair, which is, they claim to be the Rolls-Royce of the compressed air system. And I've got to be honest, I mean, I've been stalking these guys. This is Andy, by the way, Pennine Pneumatic Services, the company that actually installed the gear, right?
Yeah, we are.
Based up here in Brighouse, up north. You heard of Brighouse? Near Leeds. Anyway, these guys installed the system, and this Transair stuff is phenomenal, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you had to quickly sum up what it is about the Transair gear, remember that I'm listening, if you get your foot wrong at all, I'll correct you, because I know all about it now. What would you say about the Transair gear?
So it's a really easy system to install. It's lightweight, it's smooth bore aluminium, so you get a much better flow rate through it. It's got high quality fittings. They're an ISO 9001 company.
What does that mean?
It's a really strict quality system to make sure that the products turn up as they should do to the work site.
You've missed something.
You can have it any colour that you want, but generally it comes in blue for compressed air, green for nitrogen and inert gas, and grey for vacuum.
You've missed something else.
And it's got an external quali-coat covering, which means...
Okay, I didn't know that. What does that mean?
It means it's powder coated, and it's also resistant to UV, and you can be used outside the pipework.
The other thing I'd like to mention is the fact that it is absolute. Did you mention the fact it's rapid to fit?
It's really quick to fit. Yeah.
Oh my word. I mean, these guys turned up in the morning. We had no compressed air in the studio at all, and within a day, and they had fish and chips and an extra sausage as well, within a day, out there by 4:30, the whole system was installed, and it was quiet. There were no hot works, there was no sort of grinding or cutting or sparks or me worried about destroying the floor. It was literally two nice chaps turned up, smashed in this system, and it was done in absolutely no time.
Yeah, it's really quick. There's no oil involved, as there is with a galvanised steel system. Yeah. So you've got oil everywhere when you're putting that in.
I've done a lot of plumbing as well, the sort of push fit plumbing stuff. And you push it in, you think, is it in or is it not? I was watching these guys do it, and you can see there they're putting a mark on it. They've got a marking tool.
Yes, there's a marking tool for different size pipes. What you do is you mark the end of it, and then you make sure that you get full engagement. You push it right the way up to the line, and that seals the pipe and means it's not going to blow off. Will
this stuff last for a while? I mean, you know, in terms of the cost of it, am I going to be somebody who can just forget about compressed air now for the next 20 years of my life, or however long it is? Can I just go, that system is going to work and not fail?
Yeah, absolutely. It's practically maintenance free once it's in.
Right.
It won't corrode over time, so it gives you a really long lifetime.
I've worked in places where they use steel, and they use just like literally the 15mm water pipe. That stuff is always something that concerns me, because compressed air is potentially lethal, isn't it? You know, under high pressure.
Yeah, it can be. It can be very dangerous.
So use the right stuff, use the aluminium, and you're going to have no problems at all.
That's right.
One of the other things which really, I've got to say, it's on my mind, I've got to say, which really impresses me is the way it looks.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
It does look amazing, doesn't it? I mean, is there a world out there? Do we live in a world where, you know, companies are doing, you know, deals with each other, and they walk in, they're thinking, should we go with these guys or these guys? And they see a Transair system and they go, hang on a minute, I know that's good gear, we'll go with them.
Yeah, it's recognised as the best, and it is a desirable pipework system.
No way, did you know that? Do you want Transair in your factory? Of course you do.